Hello everyone, welcome to Towheed Tech. In today's comparison video, we are comparing two of the clone watches, Apple Watch Ultra Replica and Apple Watch Ultra 2 Replica, Hello Watch H11 Ultra Plus upgraded and Hello Watch 3 Plus. We are going to compare both of the watches and we are going to dig deeper and find out the differences in these watches. So I already make the unboxing and review video on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen that one, you can check it out in description. I'll leave a link in there. So before we start the comparison video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for the further future video notification. So I highly appreciate your support to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm going to start with the Hello Watch 3 Plus. So this watch have a 2.02 inch AMOLED screen display with a 425 by 518 resolution and have a 90 Hz refresh rate. This one have a A16 CPU in this one, which is a latest chipset. And this one have a 256 MB RAM and 4 GB of memory. And this one, the only Apple Watch have a 101 replica. So this one is the similar to the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2. So battery of this watch is 450 milliamp, and this one have a low power dual Bluetooth 5.2 and use the QI Fit application. Hello Watch H11 Ultra upgraded. This watch have a 2.02 inch IPS screen. This watch have a 425 by 485 screen resolution, and this watch use RTK 8763 CPU chip with and dual Bluetooth 5.2 for call and notification and the app separately. So this watch have a 1 GB memory in there, and watch also have a 450 milliamp battery, and this one is waterproof and use the same QI Fit app. This watch also have a real temperature sensor in the back. Both of the watches, you cannot make a difference between them. They are the exactly same dimensions. They have a similar screen ratio in there. This one have a 2.04 and this one is a 2.02, is a similar resolution in there, side by side in there, and they have a similar color as well, same hole on same position, and also have a similar crown key with a similar color ring in there. On the other side, as you can see, both have the same thickness and both have a similar speaker grill hole and the other holes. And the on the newer one H11 3 Plus, the action button color is bit darker in there. There is slightly bit a different color on Hello Watch 3 Plus if you can look closer. So this one is like a darker color and this one is a bit lighter. On the back they have a similar screw, wireless charging and health sensor in there, but the H11, this one have a real temperature sensor in that one, but this one do not have a real temperature sensor. So I'm starting with the display. First of all, both watches display is slightly different, as I mentioned earlier on. This one have a 425 by 485 resolution, and the Hello Watch 3 Plus have a 425 by 518 resolution, and this one have a 90 Hz refresh rate, and the Hello Watch H11, this one only have a 60 Hz. Both watches have a always on display and also the full display on until the battery die. This can be set to 10-second turn off the display, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then always on. So it will stay on until the battery die, same as a Hello Watch 3 Plus. So in this one is starting from 5 seconds and goes all the way to 60 seconds and then always on display. So display will be turned off once the battery die in there. So another thing I would like to mention, both of the watch faces are interactive, and all the icons on the watch faces, they are also interactive. So by touching them you can change their color, touching the icons on there you can access to the application which icon shows on the side in there. Same as the Hello Watch 3 Plus, by touching them you can change their color and you can access the icon shows on the watch faces in there, just tapping on that one. So because of the AMOLED display, the color is really vibrant and bright on the Hello Watch 3 Plus. So if you tap and hold the watch, you see the lock option in there. You can choose, or you can lock the watch face in there, and you can use a crown key to move around the watch faces. But this option been removed on Hello Watch 3 Plus. You can tap and hold, and then you can see the lock option is thus unlock, so you can move around freely. But while you're turning the crown key, it will not change the watch faces. It will bring up a different menu in there. Another thing I would like to mention, so pressing the crown key, you will see the slower animation in there, but on the Hello Watch 3 Plus, the animations are more smoother and more faster, and the icons is look bit smaller and the more vibrant and sharper looking. But the Hello Watch H11, because this one have a LCD IPS screen, the icon is bit bigger, but it less sharper, and it's bit dull colors in there. Both watches have a full brightness on, so you can see the differences in there. Apps inside the watch and have a similar menu, but the Hello Watch 3 Plus have a little bit updated menu in there. And walk through the setting option in there. First of all, as you can see, there's a little bit difference in the setting menu in there. We'll go through first of all H11. So first of all, you see the dial setting in there, lock and unlock one. Then you see the journals, date format, time format, bedside lamp on, information, and then shutdown option, restart and factory reset. Going back, this vibration intensity, do not disturb mode, media tune control, night brightness, password, language, screen of clock. This one, if you turn that on, it means this one is always on display. You can choose the number one or pointer one. Let's go through the Hello Watch 3 Plus. So in this one, first of all, you will see your own information in there, information card in there, and then you will have a notification menu. You can adjust some of the setting there. Then you go to general, you have a system information, says Hello Watch 3 Plus in there. And language, this one also support loads of different languages in there. And time and date, this one can be modified in phone app as well. QR code, bedside lamp, factory reset, restart, shutdown, do not disturb mode, and screen brightness. There's a few different option available. As you can see over here inside there, you will not see any of the screen brightness option in here. This one only have a night brightness mode. But this one on Hello Watch 3 Plus, this is a full menu control in here. You can adjust the brightness full or low, or you can set it option rise to wake, screen of clock. This one the always on display with the number or pointer. Go back and brighten staying time, you can adjust that one. I put it always on display at the moment. So there's a brightness menu missing in this one. Both have a rise to wake option. Hello Watch H11 is bit slower. So the both watches do not wake on a tapping. You have to press the crown key to wake them up. But the both watches have a palm gesture in there, H11 and also the Hello Watch 3. So the both watches show the notification on the top. It will show you the red dot. There's a notification in there. As you can see in here, Facebook, Instagram. On Hello Watch H11, if you swipe upward, you will see the control menu in there. Downward, notification as showed you earlier on. Sidewave, you will see some of the applications in there, and you can add more as well. And there is an option there. Swiping left to right, you will see the quick access menu. And same as a Hello Watch, if you swipe downward, as I showed you earlier on, there's a notification. Upward, there's the recent app. And if you want to see the control center, you have to press the side key in there to go to that one. This watch only have a 2 menu style in there. Swiping to the right to left, you will see same as the H11. There's some applications in there, and you can add more as well if you like. Swiping left to right, you will see the quick access menu, and menu system is more brighter and more sharper looking on the Hello Watch 3 Plus because of the AMOLED display in there. So as you can see, this is a H11 Hello Watch, and we are going to test it out. The heart rate, the menu and the icons is slightly different on this one. So this one giving me reading 104. So also this one have a temperature sensor in there. You can measure the temperature. So as you can see, this one is a Hello Watch 3 Plus. Let's go to the heart rate sensor. So this one showing a different reading. So both of the watch sensor are slightly different. So let me mention that this watch do not have a temperature sensor in there. So rest of the menu are similar. They all have a same application there, but Hello Watch 3 Plus, this one is more smoother. So both watches use the same application with the phone, and both have a rest of the stuff is similar to each other. So this is a watch application. Both watch using the similar application. You cannot connect two watches on the same time. You have to connect one watch at the one time in there. So at the moment I have connected the Hello Watch 3 Plus, and this is the one new system in there. You can unbind this one and can connect the H11 or any other watch which you have in there. The walkthrough by this application, they are quite simple. Menu in there, notification option in there, reminder, quick contacts in there, album, local music. You can store music in there. This one have a 4 GB memory. H11 have a 2 GB memory, so you can store and recording in there. Both watches can record the voice memo in there. Both watches have a do not disturb mode. Find my device. Both devices have a similar find my device option in there. Taking a photo, both watches have a same option in there. Navigation system, this one use a real navigation system if you connect with your phone, but H11 do not show any navigation in there. So this one is minus point in there. As you can see, you have to connect with your phone to see all the applications in there. You also have a weather format and system unit, time format. There's more options. You can restart, reset, or you can add your business card in there. And in the dial setting, so the in watch faces option, both watches use the same watch faces in there, but the watch face is gonna look much better on Hello Watch 3 Plus because of AMOLED display, and this one have better resolution in there. So the same watch face will be more vibrant on the Hello Watch 3 Plus, and it's bit dull on the H11 because of the IPS LCD screen. And there's so many to choose from. You can customize and put your own picture in there with the customized digital dial or pointer dial. And now we're going to connect Hello Watch H11. So it will show the both devices in here, but you can only add one at a time. So you cannot connect two watches on the same time in there. So as you can see, there's only one option in there. There's no more option to add another watch in there. Some of the newest watch faces in there, but these watch faces, some of them is available on Hello Watch 3 Plus, will disappear in there. It will not shows in here as well in this menu. As you can see, these one is for only the newer one, because these one designed for AMOLED display. So these are the major differences in the watch of the screen's resolution and the AMOLED display and the IPS screen. Rest of the body, they are look the same. They are both 101 replica of Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2. They both look the same. The thickness is the same. The buttons and everything is the same. In that one you can customize the action key, and this one in Hello Watch H11 you cannot able to customize the action key in there. So most of the software interfaces are similar, but few of the new option being added to this one. There's a few things is missing, and the few things is upgraded on Hello Watch 3. So they have their own appearance in there. Both watches are good, but I prefer with the latest one, Hello Watch H3, because of the AMOLED display, and it gives you better battery life. Even both of the watches have a 450 milliamp battery, but if you use on always on display Hello Watch H11 with the LCD screen, it will consume more battery than AMOLED display. So these are the major differences in there. I like the Hello Watch 3 Plus. So I hope you like the video. If you liked my content, please leave a like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the further future video notification. and I will see you in next unboxing review or our comparison video. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in next one.
Yeah.